In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence. We'll start from scratch, set up your first workspace, and walk through the core features so you can organize knowledge, plan projects, and collaborate with your team confidently. First, head to Atlassian's website and create a free account. The sign-up is quick, and once you're in, you'll land in Confluence. Think of Confluence as your team's digital workspace where information lives and stays discoverable. At the heart of Confluence are spaces. A space is a dedicated area for a project, department, or topic. Using spaces helps you keep content neatly grouped so marketing notes don't get mixed with engineering docs. When you're ready, create a space and choose a template that matches your use case, like documentation or team knowledge base. Give it a clear name and description so everyone knows what belongs there. Navigation is simple. Use the left sidebar to move between spaces, browse pages within a space, and jump to recently viewed content. If you find yourself returning to certain spaces or pages often, click the star icon to favorite them. That way, they're always just a click away. Now let's create content. Click Create in the top navigation to open the editor. You can write text, format headings, insert tables, and drop in images to make pages clear and scannable. If you'd rather not start from scratch, choose a pre-designed template. Meeting notes, project plans, and documentation templates come with helpful sections and prompts you can tailor to your workflow. When your page is ready, click Publish. Before you do, review the viewing restrictions so the right people have access. You can keep a page open to your team or limit it if the content is sensitive. For visual thinking, select Whiteboard to brainstorm with sticky notes, shapes, and connectors. It's great for mapping processes, planning sprints, or capturing ideas during workshops, and it lives alongside your pages for easy reference. Collaboration is where Confluence shines. Multiple people can edit a page at the same time, with changes appearing instantly. To loop someone in, type the @ sign followed by their name to mention them and send a notification. To keep your content discoverable, add labels to pages. Labels act like tags, making it easier to search and filter later. Finally, if your team uses Jira, paste a Jira issue link right into a page. Confluence will automatically display its status and details, keeping work and context connected in one place. And that's it, your quick start to using Confluence effectively.